Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's delve into the common attribute error you encounter when scraping data with Python, particularly using libraries like Beautiful Soup and requests. I'll provide a comprehensive explanation, illustrative code examples, and troubleshooting strategies. Understanding the attribute error. The attribute error arises when you try to access an attribute or method on an object that doesn't actually possess that attribute or method. In the context of web scraping, this typically happens when 1. The HTML structure is different than expected. You're assuming the HTML structure is consistent, but a website update has changed the tags, classes, IDs, or nesting. 2. The element you're looking for doesn't exist. Your selector, example a CSS class or tag name, doesn't match any elements on the page, resulting in a none value being returned. You then try to call a method on this none object, which it doesn't have. 3. Typographical errors in your code. A simple typo in the attribute name, method name, or selector can lead to the error. 4. Incorrect use of scraping libraries. Misunderstanding the proper way to use the methods of Beautiful Soup or other scraping tools. Common scenarios and solutions. Let's illustrate with code examples using Beautiful Soup and the requests library, as this is a very common setup. Scenario 1, element not found. Explanation ****. We use requests to fetch the web page content. *** Beautiful Soup parses the HTML. **soup.find, h1, class _ non-existent class, attempts to find an h1 tag with the class non-existent class. If no such element exists, soup.find, returns none. The line title _ text equals title _ element.text tries to access the .text attribute of title _ element. Because title _ element is none, it doesn't have a .text attribute, and an attribute error is raised. Solution * check if the element exists before trying to access its attributes. Scenario 2, incorrect tag or class name. Explanation ****. If the class name incorrect class name doesn't exist on the page for a p tag, soup.find, will return none. Attempting to call .get _ text, on none raises an attribute error. Solution * 1. Inspect the HTML source * right-click on the web page and select View Page Source or Inspect Element, Developer Tools. Carefully examine the HTML to identify the correct tag and class names. 2. Use more robust selectors * if the structure is prone to change, try to use more specific selectors that are less likely to be affected. For instance, if the paragraph is always within a specific div, use that context in your selector. 3. Check for witty space or typos *, even a small difference in spacing or capitalization can cause problems. Scenario 3, website structure changes. Websites often change their HTML structure, especially during updates or redesigns. What worked yesterday might not work today. Explanation ****. If the website has removed or altered the div with class product card or the h2 element within it, soup.find, will return none. Solution * 1. Regularly re-inspect *, make it a habit to check the HTML structure of the target website periodically to ensure your selectors are still valid. 2. Handle changes gracefully *, write your code to be resilient to changes. Instead of immediately crashing, try to log the error, send a notification, or use alternative selectors. 3. Consider using more stable selectors * if possible, use selectors that are less likely to change, such as IDs, assuming they are consistently used. Scenario 4, misunderstanding Beautiful Soup methods. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk soup.find_all, a, returns a list of all a, link, elements on the page, not a single element. Asterisk you cannot directly call .get, ref, on a list. You need to access an individual element within the list. Solution asterisk. General debugging tips. 1. Print the object asterisk before attempting to access an attribute. Print the object you're working with using print, title_element. This will help you understand if it's none or what type of object it is. 2. Use try, except blocks asterisk. Wrap your scraping code in try, except blocks to gracefully handle attribute error exceptions and prevent your script from crashing. 3. Inspect the HTML source asterisk. As mentioned earlier, always examine the HTML source code of the web page to verify the existence of elements, their attributes, and the overall structure. Use your browser's developer tools for a more interactive view of the DOM. 4. Read the documentation asterisk. Refer to the official documentation of Beautiful Soup, https://www.crummy.com/software/beautifulsoup/bs4/doc, and requests, https://requests.readthedocs.io/n/latest, to understand the correct usage of their methods and attributes. 5. Break down complex selectors asterisk. If your selector is very complex, try breaking it down into smaller steps to isolate the source of the problem. For example, 6. Use a debugger asterisk. Tools like PDB, Python debugger, or the debugging features in your IDE can help you step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and pinpoint the exact location where the attribute error occurs. Example: using .find_all, and dealing with missing attributes within a loop. Here's an example that demonstrates how to handle potential attribute error issues when using .find_all, and iterating through the results, especially when some elements might be missing certain attributes. Key improvements in this example asterisk. Asterisk if product_name_element else name not found asterisk. This is a concise way to check if product_name_element is none. If it is, the variable product_name will be assigned the string name not found, otherwise, it will extract the text from the element. We do the same for price_element and image_element. Asterisk image_element src if image_element and src in image_element.address else no image asterisk. This handles the case where the img tag might exist, but the src attribute is missing. It first checks if the image_element exists and then uses if src in image_element.address to verify that the src attribute is actually present in the element's attributes. Asterisk inner try, except asterisk the try, except block inside the loop allows the script to continue processing other product cards even if one card has an error. This is crucial when dealing with a list of items where some items might have incomplete or inconsistent data. Asterisk more general exception asterisk instead of catching only attribute error, I've added a broader except exception as E at the outermost level to catch any unexpected errors during the request or parsing process. This helps prevent the script from crashing due to unforeseen issues. In summary, to effectively avoid attribute error when scraping data asterisk. 1. Understand the HTML structure asterisk. Become intimately familiar with the HTML source code of the websites you are scraping. 2. Handle missing elements asterisk. Always check if an element exists before trying to access its attributes or methods. 3. Use try, except blocks asterisk. Implement error handling to gracefully manage exceptions and prevent your script from crashing. 4. Regularly update your selectors asterisk. Websites change, so your scraping code needs to adapt. 5. Test and debug asterisk. Thoroughly test your code and use debugging tools to identify and fix issues. 6. Be respectful. Remember to adhere to the website's robots.txt file and avoid overwhelming the server with requests. By following these guidelines and carefully analyzing your code, you can significantly reduce the occurrence of attribute error exceptions and create more robust and reliable web scraping scripts. Good luck.